We came across this house about 4 years ago, and I consider her my damsel in distress. It, in a way, gave me a bare canvas on which to work. I just liked that whole palette of 70s retro, and it just happens that I've been collecting it for a long time. I've always bought what's pleasing to my eye. It may be the colour of something, it may be the texture of something. Lighting has always been a hobby horse, mostly because I believe it's the essence of creating an amazing atmosphere in a house. You can't go in with a blank check and start like that. You've got to feel it. You've got to see how the light works within the house. You just want people to be able to come in, be comfortable, feel the welcome. And that should be exuded by the whole aesthetics of the house. Art to me is very diverse, and once again, it's whatever. It's almost, I just see something and there's a gut, I love it. You know, it just moves me. I think the most important thing is to create a home that one is comfortable to sit in, that one wants to relax and rest in, and can do so without any effort. Everyone's touch that makes a house a home. Everyone's personal touch. It's very simple. What's the point in having a beautiful home that you can't sit and relax in?